Hey Kipsters, this is my second video times 2. I would like to go ahead and get started with our second key point. Today we're learning Kipsters will be able to change an improper fraction into a decimal. So we're going to change an improper fraction into a decimal. I noticed that the first question is 3.75 or 3 75/100 is equal to 15/4. They're asking me if that's true or false. Well, the only way to know if that's true or false is to probably change everything into a decimal. So I need to change this 15/4 into a decimal. And the way that we do that, even though it's heavy on top and small on the bottom, I can still push the fraction over. The top goes in the door. Dot it, oh yeah. So 4 goes into 15. See, 3 times, which is 12. And I have a remainder of 4. But we know math doesn't stop there. We add a decimal. I bring down the 0. 4 goes into 30 7 times. I see my decimal is like disappearing. That's okay. 7 times 4 is 28. Bring down another 0. And 4 goes into 20 5 times. So I notice that this actually is 3.75. Alright? So this would be true. Alright, let's go over here to this one. I'm going to change this into a decimal. So I'll push the fraction over. The top goes in the door. Dot it. Oh, yeah. There's 0. 6 goes into 13 twice. So that's 1 remainder. 6 goes into 10 once. So that's 6. Let's keep that 4. Bring down the 0. 6 goes into that 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. I notice that the 6 begins to repeat. So I'm going to put a hat over the 6. So I know that I got 2.1 with the 6 and a repeater bar over just the 6. This is a tricky problem because this answer right here says that this is 2.161616. And this one is 2.6666. So we just need to be careful that this is false. They're not the same thing. Alright, we're going to stop. And why don't you go ahead and do the first example problem. Alright, here it is, the first example problem. So 22 divided by 3 is 7. Put our decimals. So it's 3 times. It's starting to repeat. So I'm going to put a hat on the 3, a repeating hat. So 7 with a 3 repetend is not the same thing as 7.13. So this is false. Alright, why don't you go ahead and stop the video and go ahead and do the second one. Alright, 17/6. I'm running out of room, so I'm going to jump over here, create a little box for myself. 17 divided by 6 is 2. Decimal. 6 goes into 50. Let's see, 5 would be 30, 7 would be 42, 8 would be 48, 8's good. Down to 0, would be 3, running out of room, it's okay. I noticed that it begins to repeat again, so I'm getting 20s, so I'm going to put a hat over the 3. So 2.83 repetend is the same thing as 3 points. So this is true. Alright, enjoy. Go practice.